less downtime, more time working, better for your profitability. So today I'm here to talk with you guys about an absolute game changer, the ALLU variable drum. This unit just here is really bringing something new to the market. One of the key elements is this allows you to change the output fragment size without having to change the entire drum system. Simply put, this means you're able to swap out the individual shafts without the need to dismantle the entire assembly, meaning you're able to then change the fragment output sizes simply, quickly and easily. What this means to you, the end user, is less downtime, more time working, better for your profitability. Individual shaft removal allows for rapid blade changes and therefore size changes. Now this is imperative for anyone that's working in an environment where they need some variety, they need to be able to change the material sizes that they're producing, simply done from one transformer screening unit. Achieve superior screening performance with up to a 10% increase in efficiency simply by using the single blade TS setup. The reason the output is increased is purely because there are less combs which don't slow the flow of the material, and that's what gives you your higher output. Changing wear parts or output size has never been easier or cleaner because it's eliminated the need to access the drive compartment, which is again dramatically reducing labour time, giving you more time to be doing the job. The Vario drum offers effortless maintenance. Its simple but innovative design means you remove 3 bolts from this system and allows you to change the shaft and therefore the output sizes. So there you have it, the ALLU variable drum, ideally suited for 12 to 45 ton excavators or 6 to 30 ton wheel loaders. For more information, if you've enjoyed what you've seen, please do like and click on the link below.